Today we are going to be discussing Newton's second law in Destiny terms. Newton's second law. So Newton's second law is commonly phrased as force is equal to mass times acceleration. Now how do we put this into Destiny terms? We'll have two objects for comparison in this explanation. We'll have a Crying Drake and Corregos, the World Line, the Vex boss from Edge of Fate, I think. To move the Drake, you simply hit it with the open palm if you're a Warlock, and you won't even require a charge melee. This is a force affecting the Drake. So we'll do the calculations right here. We have the Crying Drake. We don't know the force, but we do have the mass and the time it moved and its initial velocity and final velocity right here. So initially started 0 and then its final velocity was 5 meters per second. So we divide that by 1 second, we get 5 meters per second that it's accelerating. Boom. So we have that as our acceleration. And so since force is equal to mass times acceleration, we're going to be able to find the force. So our mass is 200 kilograms and our acceleration is 5 meters per second squared. We're going to multiply that by each other. Boom. We get 1,000 kilograms. We get 1,000 newtons right here. Boom. All right, awesome. Now, what about Corregos, the World Line? He weighs like a bazillion pounds. How much force do you have to apply to him to move 5 meters in 1 second? Let's take a look. So always make sure to draw your diagram right here. I don't know if that's actually how it looks, but we're gonna leave it like that. Our force is unknown. Our acceleration, so actually we're using the same acceleration from our previous problem, so it is 5 meters per second squared. Then our mass, I don't know the exact mass of Corregos, the World Line, so we're just gonna use 40,000 pounds, 40,000 kilograms right here. So since force is equal to mass times acceleration, we're gonna multiply the acceleration by the mass. 440,000 kilograms times 5 meters per second squared is equal to 200,000 newtons. So that's the amount of force you need to push Corregos, the World Line, 5 meters within 1 second. I have this translated to pounds as well. So you need 44,964 pounds times meters divided by second squared. There's also a lot more advanced ways to solve for this as well. As you can see, we have all these calculations right here. We got the force of gravity, tension, the normal force, our pushing force. So it's like the Nova Bomb, Golden Gun, all that. We have our friction. We have our kinetic friction. We have our static friction. And we have the sum of all forces is equal to mass times acceleration. So let me clarify. The sum of all forces is equal to mass times acceleration for Newton's second law. Please make sure to subscribe so you stay in the loop whenever I post interesting topics like this related to Destiny, maybe Marathon, and other cool things you guys want, like Jujutsu Kaisen or maybe even Vinland Saga. So please let me know if you want more content like this related to Destiny, Newton's laws, or any other physics principles like Maxwell-Ampere's law, Lorentz force, which is also a linear fusion rifle in Destiny 2. So I may make a project and video on that. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and stay in the loop. Thank you so much.